I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create simple scripts like a basic enemy patrol script. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is prompt our AI that we're using. So we can say, write a Unity script to make an enemy move back and forth between 2 points. We'll also add keep it simple. And we'll see what that comes up with. So we have enemy patrol is the name of the script. It does some functionality. I would highly recommend when you do this to read through the script and try to understand what it does. If you don't understand what it does, you can prompt AI to explain it to you line by line and give it questions if you're still not sure. So what the steps say, attach the script to the game object, enemy, create 2 empty game objects in the scene, point A and point B, drag these points into the script, and adjust the speed as needed. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm not going to copy the name, but normally I would copy the script name and I would create a new script and paste the name in. I already created this script testing this out. So I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to copy this script because it's probably slightly different. I'm going to paste it into my enemy patrol script and go back into Unity, and we're going to create some objects and then we're going to get started and test it out. Okay, so first thing we need to do is create an enemy. So let's do a capsule. We'll name it enemy. Bring it up. Bring it over onto the platform. It doesn't really matter because it's not going to have a rigid body, so it's not going to be affected by gravity. Put it there. Now we need 2 points for patrol, right? So we'll do a sphere and we'll name that point A. And we'll do another sphere and name that point B. And we'll drag this up, bring it over. We'll just bring it to the corner over here. We'll raise it a little higher. Then point A, we'll drag up, bring it over to the opposite corner. Bring it up, back it up a little bit. Okay, so if this works, the enemy should patrol between point A and point B. We need to let's turn off the colliders for each of these so it just goes into them and doesn't get stopped. And now we need to get the enemy and attach the script to it. So I drag the script over to the enemy patrol script. It has 2 empty slots, point A and point B. So we're going to drag each one of those into each point. And if this all works out, it should bounce back and forth between the 2 points. It might slide below the platform that we see here, the plane, but that's just because it's not affected by gravity or colliding into it. So it's just going to go down and get level with the objects that it's trying to get to. Let's test it out. We click play and it is patrolling between point A and point B. The script works. So this is an example of a simple way to use AI. I would not recommend using it all the way throughout your entire game or relying on it for your entire game, but AI is a great tool. It's great to learn from and it's great to speed up your production time. You can have it create simple scripts like this and then expand upon them to get you started or to speed up your production time. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.